Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back. I'm Melinda Akindele, your friendly neighborhood real estate investor enthusiast. Today, we're diving into a game-changing strategy that can transform the way you look at home ownership. It's called house hacking. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what on earth is house hacking, don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in just 1 minute. So grab a pen and paper or hit the save button because you wouldn't want to miss this. So picture this, you own a home, but instead of being confined to just one space, you strategically leverage it to create multiple streams of income. Yes, you heard that right. It's like turning your living room into a financial powerhouse. Now, here's the magic. You can rent out a spare bedroom, convert that basement into a cozy rental unit or Airbnb part of your home. By doing this, you're not just a homeowner, you're a savvy investor. Think about it. Your property is working for you. It's a game changer for millennials, first-time home buyers, or anyone looking to build wealth smartly. And the best part, you're not doing this alone. There is a thriving community of house hackers out there sharing tips, experience, and success stories. So my friend, whether you're dreaming of your financial freedom or just want to make your mortgage work for you, house hacking could be your golden tickets. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you intrigued by the concept of house hacking? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. Follow or subscribe for more real estate wisdom, and until next time, happy hacking.